Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. This three-door van has a four-cylinder, 2.1-liter i4 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and tow hooks. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.